Okay, so what we are saying is you have a surface over here, water. This, the bottom portion is water and the top portion is air. That means there is all water below the line. Now what we are going to do is, if you put a coin over here, now we are putting the coin inside the water. And if you are standing over here and you are looking at the coin from the top, okay, आप ऊपर से देख रहे हो यहाँ पे coin को. Your eyes are over here. Okay, so where, how will the coin look? But for our experiment, instead of drawing the coin, what we are going to do is we are going to take a point object. मतलब कि खाली समझ लो एक ये object है O. Okay. So now in order to draw the ray diagram, remember we need two rays of light. और वो जहाँ पे भी वो cross होगी refracted ray, that will give us the image. Everyone clear about that part? Okay, so let's take first ray of light. Let's say first ray of light starts from O and it goes up straight, perpendicular to the surface. Okay. Okay. Now again, the ray of light is going perpendicular. There is no deviation. Angle of incidence is 0. Angle of refraction will be 0. So this ray of light will go straight. Let's assume this is point A and this is point A dash. Okay. So OA is our incident ray and A dash is our refracted ray. Remember, this is the point of incidence, but there is no refraction on this ray of light. Everyone clear up to here? The first ray of light is perpendicular, so there will be no refraction of light. Khyati, once I cannot see you. Everyone clear about this? Dave, clear? Okay, so ये हो गया पहला refracted ray. So we can say this is the refracted ray going in the upward direction. Now we need two rays of light. So let's take one more ray of light. Okay, let's take one more ray of light. Again, it has to start from O, and I'm going to say it goes all the way up to here. We can draw anywhere. I'm just drawing it far apart so we can draw properly everything. Okay, and let's label this as our second point of incidence B. So now OB is our incident ray. Okay, let's draw a normal. At this point B, the ray of light is going from water into air. So it is going from a denser medium to a rarer medium. The ray of light will bend away from the normal, right? So let me just draw the normal first. The normal will be perpendicular. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's say this is our normal N dash. Everyone clear? So this is our angle of incidence. The angle between the incident ray and the normal. Now, if you notice one thing, N dash and OA dash are parallel to each other. Both of them are perpendicular to the surface, let's say PQ. Everyone, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So A dash O and N dash N are parallel to each other. If this is the angle of incidence, then this will also become our angle of incidence, alternate angles. Right, transverse angle, na? Right, transversal angle. Everyone clear up to here? Now what happens to the ray of light at this point on the point of incidence B? The ray of light is supposed to go straight, but it will bend away from the normal, right? It is supposed to go straight like this, but it will bend away from the normal. So let's say this is our C. So BC will become our refracted ray. Everyone clear up to here, right? And this angle over here will be our angle of refraction. Okay. In order to draw the image, this is our second refracted ray. If you see, the first refracted ray is going up and the second refracted ray is going in this direction. They will never cross each other. So in order to obtain an image, what we do is we produce the refracted rays backwards. पीछे ड्रॉ करेंगे. अभी ये a dash a को तो backward ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It will go in the same direction. Now what we do is we produce this ray backwards. समझ लो यहाँ पर मिला है. Okay. So this will be our. Let me remove that arrow. Okay. It's right in the middle. So. Okay. So this is the ray produced backwards. So a refracted ray produced backward is going downwards, and this refracted ray produced backward is here. So they cross at this point, and we'll get the image of the coin at this point. Now remember, your eye is over here. You are looking from here. So instead of this is the real depth. पानी इतना अंदर है ना, ऑब्जेक्ट तो इतना नीचे है. So this is the real depth. लेकिन आपको इमेज तो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, थोड़ा ऊपर दिख रहा है. This is known as the apparent depth. Apparent depth. आपको लगेगा कॉइन थोड़ा ऊपर है. You will not figure it out. You know, if you're standing it from outside, you will not be able to figure out how deep the water is. Everyone clear up to here? Okay, so the object looks a little bit raised up. यहाँ पे थोड़ा raise हो गया ना, ऊपर आ गया ये.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, एक बार पाछो समझाओ.
એટલે what part?
Sir, second ray વાળું છે.
Now remember, OB is our incident ray, the yellow line. B is our point of incidence, right? Now the OB is going from a denser medium to a rarer medium, so there will be refraction of light. So the refracted ray we call it as BC. Okay, it to the खबर पड़ी, right? This is the normal refraction of light. Now in order to get an image, we need to cross दो refracted rays ऐसे cross होने चाहिए ना, then you will get an image over here. But in this case, BC is going here and A dash is going here. So एक ray ऐसे ऊपर जा रहा है और दूसरा ऐसे जा रहा है. They will never cross each other. So what we do is we produce them backwards. पीछे ले जाएंगे ऐसे. जहाँ पे भी वो cross हो जाएंगे, that will become our image. And we used to call it as a virtual image, if you remember. Okay, तो हम लोग ने क्या किया, A dash को नीचे प्रोड्यूस किया, that will be the perpendicular line, same ये green वाला, and BI will become the second ray which we are refracted ray, we are producing it backwards. तो यहाँ पे ये cross हुआ, ये जो point है वो ये point हो गया. So this is the image of the object. समझ लोगे, ये ऑब्जेक्ट 5 मीटर डाउन है, ये 5 मीटर पानी के अंदर है. द रियल डेप्थ इज 5 मीटर्स. लेकिन आपको तो कम लगेगा ना, आपको लगेगा पानी सरफेस के पास में आ गया ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज द सरफेस ऑफ द वाटर, PQ. सो दिस हाइट विच यू सी इन द वाटर वी कॉल इट एज अपैरेंट हाइट. एवरीवन टोटली क्लियर विद दिस?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's look at one thing. ये तो angle of incidence, ये angle of incidence पता चल गया. If this is the angle of refraction, this will also become the angle of refraction. Again, N dash N is parallel to A dash O. Okay, and this line IB is the intersecting line. तो transversal angle होगा ना, ये और ये, right? So this is also angle of refraction and this is also angle of refraction. Everyone pay attention, okay? Now we are going to use a lot of trigonometry over here. Anyone has any doubts up to here? Nisha, clear about this? Okay.
Yes.
Everyone clear? Vansh, Anshika, Maitri, clear
Yes,
about this?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Ayush, I cannot see you, okay? Khyati, Swayam, Dev, everyone clear, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now we are going to derive the formula. What is the apparent depth and what is the real depth? You can see in your book over here, that is what they are doing. Okay, we are going to figure out this formula now. How to figure out what is the apparent depth and what is the real depth. Okay, we'll see that. We'll slowly reach here only. Okay, so now let's see what is sin I. Okay, now first of all, let's see what is the refractive index. Refractive index you always find for medium 2. तो ये medium 2 है ना, air. Everyone clear? So we can write refractive index of air with respect to water equals to sine I upon sine R. I don't think anybody should have a problem in this, right? ये तो अपना formula ही है. Okay. Now we want to find what is the value of sine I. ये रहा I. Okay. In triangle ABO. Okay, ABO. This is the right angle. Sin theta मतलब sin I equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. तो opposite क्या है? AB. Everyone clear? Opposite is AB. AB upon hypotenuse क्या है? BO. Okay, AB upon BO. Everyone clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let me just erase this part over here from the middle over here. ये बीच में रह गया है. Now let's find in triangle ABI. ये छोटा वाला triangle ABI. Sin R equals to, again ये रहा R, opposite which is AB, right? AB upon hypotenuse क्या होगा? BI upon BI. Everyone clear? I'm just finding the value. Now we'll use this. We'll substitute the values over here. अपना जो sin I upon sin R है यहाँ पे. So sin I equals to AB upon BO divided by AB upon BI. Everyone clear up to here? Right? Which is equal to AB upon BO multiplied by BI upon AB. Okay, so ये AB और ये AB cancel हो जाएगा. So now we get refractive index of air with respect to water equals to BI. Now let's see what is BI. This is our BI. Okay, I'll show it to you what it means. Equals to BI upon BO. Everyone clear up to here? Okay, यहाँ पे let's see in your textbook also they must have the same thing. ये रहा BI upon OB. BO लिखा है, इन लोग ने OB लिखा है. Everyone clear up to here, right? Okay. But now remember, normally speaking, what we do is we always find the refractive index of water with respect to air. हम लोग उल्टा करते हैं ना. We never find refractive index of air. So if you want to find the refractive index of water, we can say a refractive index of water with respect to air equals to BO upon BI. Remember पहले वाला जो फॉर्मूला था उससे इनवर्स हो जाएगा ना. Everyone clear up to here? ये कैसे आया?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now pay attention. Now I'm going to do a small magic. Okay, तो ये तो पता चल गया हम लोग को. चलो, refractive index of water with respect to air equals to BO upon BI. Now हम लोग ने ये पॉइंट A और B बहुत दूर ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. We have drawn it very far away. Now just imagine कि A यहाँ पे था. A is right here. Well, let me change the color because ये तो सब मिक्स ही हो रहा है इसके अंदर. And B is right next to it.
Sir, pocket ना दिखाई.
We cannot differentiate like that, right? It is very close to each other. A and B are right next to each other. So basically AB is negligible, we can say. This distance AB is negligible. Everyone, does that make sense? एकदम पतला सा ट्रायंगल हो जाएगा ना, ऐसे एकदम पतला सा, you know, we cannot even draw it like this. Everyone clear? If this point B comes over here, तो BI क्या हो जाएगा? apparent depth, right? And B यहां पे आ गया तो BO क्या हो जाएगा? Real depth. Everyone clear about this? So
Yes,
here
sir.
in the formula, what we can do is BO is equal to real depth divided by apparent depth. So refractive index of water with respect to air equals to real depth divided by apparent depth. Okay, as you can see over here, real depth divided by apparent depth. Everyone clear about this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is one assumption we are making, that point A and B are very close to each other. Okay, A and B बाजू बाजू में ही है.
सर तो इमेज कैसे बीजे फॉर्म नहीं થાય?
No, see, we are just, okay, one more thing. Okay, so what happens is, from this point O, there will be thousands of rays of light coming out. We are only drawing 2 rays of light to make our ray diagram. Okay, there will be thousands of rays. One of the ray of light will go here also. One of the rays of light will go here also. It goes everywhere. But we are only drawing 2, because if we draw all the rays of light, our drawing will become very confusing. ये खाली समझने के लिए from the beginning we drew the A and B very far away from each other. समझने के लिए, but I mean practically speaking, we are assuming that we are taking that A and B are right next to each other.
ओके सर.